Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole and chips. To begin, choose 3 perfectly ripe avocados. You'll know they are ready when they yield slightly to gentle pressure. Next, gather your fresh ingredients: 1 small red onion, 1 bunch of cilantro, and 2 limes. Also, have your salt, a mixing bowl, and a fork or potato masher ready. Now, let's get to the fun part. Carefully cut your 3 avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop the flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork or potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency, leaving some chunks for texture. Then, stir in your finely diced 1/4 cup of red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. To finish your guacamole, squeeze in the juice from 1 whole lime. This not only adds a bright, zesty flavor, but also helps prevent browning. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then taste and adjust as needed. For a little heat, you can mix in 1 finely diced jalapeno. Serve your fresh guacamole right away. No guacamole is complete without the perfect chips. Choose sturdy, thick-cut tortilla chips that can stand up to the rich texture of your homemade dip. For an extra touch, you can warm your chips in the oven for a few minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This enhances their flavor and makes them even more irresistible. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.